dito sa ating tabi. Feels like the first time, but it won't be the last. I see that you want me, girl, you don't need to act. It's so unusual, it feels so right. I've been waiting for a long time.
Good to go.
You listen to me. He's dangerous. So if you take him out, don't confront him. Leave that to me.
Back off while you still can!
We haven't put a scratch on that thing yet. Before you say it, no. We're not gonna stop chasing.
I know. Just be careful. This won't end well for you.
Come into the unknown. Right here.
Wow. Okay.
I can't use that. Scanning ahead.
Sorry, me. What the
Spike is
hell?
down.
You will not kill my
Spike down.
ally.
Attacker spawn.
Oh, I like it. Enemy spotted.
Last
I have
player
the spike.
standing.
That's good. That's true.
Nice try. Okay lang.
They're just batteries. I may need a recharge.
Wins. So let's go! Don't sweat it, the Jets aren't in the race. They're just happy to be here. Oh yeah! Drivers coming from everywhere. Now it's a party. People are lining the streets to get a load of the action. Cheer the...
And just about a minute into this first quarter. Pass to LeVert. To the inside. And Sabonis slams it in.
Give credit to LeVert. The correct choice in the pick and roll. Sometimes it's best to just give up the rock.
Outside Butler. Now here's Tucker. He's guarded by Sabonis. Oh, and Turner with a block. And here's Warren. 36 seconds left in the first quarter. Turner for three. Sinks the tray.
And this is today's NBA. Big men like Turner spacing the floor with great outside shooting.
They've been having major problems offensively.
Definitely in a bit of a dry spell.
To the paint, Adebayo. And that comes off the assist by Lowry.
Finally, a make for...
Worth it ba? Sulit ba itong PC build na to? Like what I said, the entry-level PC na kayang sumabay sa lahat ng gusto nating gawin. Content creation, gaming, streaming, editing, or kung ano man. Like what I said, guys, this PC, pwede mo nang ma-consider. So yun lang mga kapatid natin. Siyempre, gusto ko magpasalamat kay MSI dahil kung wala si MSI, wala itong mga PC build na nandito sa ating tabi ngayon. Kaya maraming salamat MSI sa pagtitiwala kay Boss Lucio. At siyempre, makapag-build ng isang full MSI PC build. Kaya kung gusto nyo pa makakita ng mga ganitong content at lumawak ang inyong kaalaman pagdating sa inyong streaming and technology, don't forget to like, share, and comment, subscribe at yung malita bell para lagi kayong updated sa lahat ng ating video. Again, I'm Luis Dier Teves, aka Boss Lucio, ang inyong stream coach para sa inyong mga stream and tech problem. Happy streaming!